What's going on, y'all? It's my PGR right there. Anyway, as you can see, I got a lot of chemicals over here, and it is crazy. Yep, so I've been doing a lot of experiment, as you can see, and make no mistakes about it, I've been having a lot of this stuff for years. So I'm making this video to let everyone know why I don't like going to Home Depot and buying all this stuff, like, let's say this, for example. And not just Home Depot, that's Lowe's, any big box store, just anywhere, online or what have you. In a nutshell, why I have all this stuff is I want results and I'm cheap. And I don't want to pay for water anymore. I don't want to pay all this money for water. So what I mean by that is they take this insecticide right here, for example. Now, this doesn't have the same active ingredient, but they do have this in the same active ingredient as this bifenthrin, for example. They will put like 1 ounce or even less of an active ingredient and fill the rest up with water and sell it to you. And this only going to treat a certain amount of square footage one time, and you got to go buy this whole thing all over again. Can you imagine trying to do all that with all this stuff over here? It's just impossible. So through the years, what I've learned is they do that with everything. They do it with this insecticide. They also do it with weed and feed, for example. They make these same types of, like this as a weed and feed, and this. When I'm talking about this, I'm talking about the packaging. You can get a package of fertilizer that's a weed and feed, and you can get a bottle spray. Well, I like to do my own stuff. If I wanted a weed and feed, this is concentrated. This is a concentrated fertilizer with iron in it. Concentrated. I can add my own water to this. And if I wanted to kill some weeds while I'm at it, hence the weed and feed, I can add this. This is 3 active ingredients that kill broadleaf weeds. I can even go a step further and put this Drive Accelerate, which I'm out, in there to kill even more weeds, like grassy weed, like crabgrass. I can even put this off in one of those containers and make this, use this and the fertilizer, and make my own starter fertilizer with weed prevention. Or I can take that, I can add prodiamine. This is a pre-emergent. So I can put all that stuff off in container and make my own product. Here's an example right here. I kind of like it because it comes in a big size and you can do like 50,000 square feet with it, which is cool. But still, it contains these active ingredients here are the same active ingredients here in this triplet. I got liquid fertilizer that I can add to that. And if I want it, I can add some iron. I can step it up and add a lot of iron. Yeah, I'm just tired of paying for water. So yeah, I have all this stuff. It may seem like a lot, but can you imagine taking care of a couple acres of land, how much of these little packages I will have, how much of these I will have lying around the house, how much of this stuff, and how much money it would cost me to buy all that stuff individually. I buy this 2 or 3 times. I've already paid for this, which this is gonna last me for years. Same with my fungicide, same with my fertilizer, same with my weed killers. It's all the same. So that's why I have all these chemicals here, and I really need to straighten them up, but that's a whole different situation there. But this video was made for someone who told me that I had a whole bunch of stuff. And I do. But I just don't want to pay all my money. I don't. I don't want to go up in the big box stores and buying all this stuff like this right here that costs almost the same as this. It's just crazy to pay for water. I'm just not going to do it.